Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by structuring a reliable daily routine. Follow a daily routine of 6 to 8 focused hours with 50-minute sessions and 10-minute breaks. Allocate study time using clear proportions. Allocate 40% time to theory, 40% to problem solving, and 20% to revision and notes, adjusting weekly based on weak topics. Build exam habits through simulation. Include one timed mock of 3 hours every Sunday to build exam stamina and time management, and to practice pacing under real conditions. Master fundamentals by focusing on nsert and derivations. Master nsert thoroughly. Reread chapters and derive formulas until you reproduce them from memory. For skill building, prioritize problem variety. Solve 1,000 plus varied problems across mechanics, electromagnetism, optics, and modern physics by exam day, including 20 to 30 problems weekly per chapter. Structure revision with spaced cycles. Use a 3-tier revision cycle: daily quick review, weekly consolidation, and monthly deep review to move topics into long-term memory. Make practice count by learning from errors. Analyze every mistake in a dedicated error log, noting concept, reason, and correction for each problem, and revisit them weekly. Focus on score-driving subjects. Prioritize high-yield topics: kinematics, electrostatics, circuits, and thermodynamics for maximum score impact while balancing weaker areas. For exam logistics and peak performance, optimize test day with last week light review. Sleep 7 to 8 hours, and arrive with required originals and pens to avoid preventable stress and lost time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.